In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in Baramulla district today. The youth were martyred during a coordinated search operation jointly launched by Indian Army, Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force and Special Operations Group in Parswani area of the district. 5 Indian troops were injured in an attack during Sahri time in the area. Further details of the incident are awaited as the whole area was sealed and the operation was going on when the last reports came in. Complete shutdown will be observed in the occupied territory on the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit on Sunday as a mark of protest against New Delhi's illegal occupation of the territory. Call for the strike has been given by the all parties Hurriyat conference to give a strong message to the Indian Prime Minister that Kashmiris will never accept New Delhi's illegal occupation and will continue their freedom struggle till they become masters of their own political destiny. On the all parties Hurriyat conference appeal, anti-India protest demonstrations will also be held in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and in world major capitals by the Kashmiri diaspora against Indian crimes in Kashmir. Restrictions marked by crackdowns and the raids on residences of the Kashmiri people have been intensified across the Kashmir Valley and Jammu region ahead of Modi's visit to the territory. The Indian Army and police personnel have been deployed in strength in all nook and corner of the occupied territory in the name of security. Police arrested at least 5 persons in Katwa district alone. In London, the president of Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK, Raja Fahim Kiani, in a statement, strongly protested over British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's scheduled visit to Modi-led India, whose, he added, hands are soaked in blood of innocent Muslims and other minorities. He said Modi's fascist regime is the mother of all human rights violations in the world and no conscious person can prefer economic interests over human rights. The Indian Ministry of Home Affairs has ordered 6 non-Kashmiri officers of the Indian Administrative Services (IAS) and Indian Police Services (IPS) to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. All 6 officers posted in the territory belong to Indian Arunachal Pradesh, Goa and Mizoram states are fully Hindutva RSS BJP mindset officers.